Welcome to the vlog. It is your typical rainy day in Vancouver today. I'm running around just doing a lot of errands today. I had to travel out to Vancouver to get my busker's permit for an upcoming Granville Street event that I'm gonna take part in. And now I'm gonna backtrack all the way the other way out to Chilliwack because I got a gig tonight at Duke's Pub. Never played there before. I've seen some awesome social media promos for that gig, so just can't wait to play there tonight. Should be fun. Got a few gigs in Chilliwack coming up, actually. So, yeah, got some traveling to do. I am driving through a crazy thunder and rainstorm. In my vlog last week where I did a gig in Mission, which is where I'm just passing through now, I drove through a ton of rain also. There seems to be something about my gig days and it raining insanely hard. I actually had to stop for a bit earlier because I had my wipers on at full speed, like you can see, and I just couldn't see anything. It's crazy. Everywhere, like I know Pitt Meadows has been flooding because of this. Anyway, I'll get there. Seriously, have you guys ever seen anything like this? Now it's hail. Insane! It's absolutely insane. Wow. Nuts. I'm here at Duke's Country Pub in Chilliwack. Pretty decent crowd out there, actually. Pretty large venue here. I love it, and as I always say on this show, I love it when they give me the raised up stage. That's always fun. Got some songs I'm gonna play here. Having an awesome time playing some tunes. Should be excellent. Really happy with the turnout tonight. Well, then I'm sure you can do that. I believe Trooper wrote that song about this particular area, they say, in this rainy city, and I know they're from Vancouver, and man, are they ever right tonight. I mean, I'm from Maple Ridge. I didn't have that long of a commute, but I've traveled all around Western Canada, and I've pretty much never had a harder time getting to a gig than tonight. I kept having to stop, had my wipers on full blast, and just couldn't see anything. But I got here, and that's what counted. Gig over, loading up my car. I love any venue that has a back door that you can pull this close to. It just makes the gig so much easier. Just load stuff out the door right into the car. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, and I am now back at home from that gig. I feel like I'm starting to lose my voice, which is not the greatest thing, because tomorrow I'm doing an awesome charity event at the Bennett in Port Coquitlam. Myself and probably about 8 or 9 other musicians have all contributed our cover repertoire to a musical or a live music jukebox event where you can go out and there's a whole list of cover tunes, like I think a few hundred in total. I mean, I submitted probably 40 or 50 to the list, so, and then there's a whole bunch of others. So yeah, lots of covers to choose from. You put $5 in the hat and you select a song, and then whichever musician does that song will come up and play it. Like I said, hundreds to choose from. And by the time I get this video uploaded, it may have already happened, so I'm probably plugging it for nothing, but I'll do what I do tomorrow, which will be fun. Yeah, that was my first time at Duke's Pub, and I think I was the first concert in their acoustic performers series. Every Friday night at Duke's Pub in Chilliwack, they'll have a new musician out there to play, so that's awesome. And that'll do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. For a full list of all my upcoming concert dates, check out the description. Also in the description are links to where you can find my music, where it's sold or streamed online. Like this video if you liked what you saw. Subscribe to my channel if you've been enjoying my videos, and you can even ring the notification bell if you want to be notified every single time I upload a new video. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. I should have I'll definitely have a new vlog up for you guys tomorrow, because yeah, the vlog from my charity event, that'll be fun. Not my charity event, Coast Meridian Music's charity event that I will be a part of. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you with another new episode again tomorrow. See you then.